right, Kyle, you're tracking some possible weather that's coming to our area.
Yeah, some cold weather overnight tonight, and then we look like we're going to be seeing some snow showers here for parts of Sunday. We'll detail all of that coming up here in just a few minutes. Right now, let's look at the temperatures. 22 degrees is the current temperature in Knoxville. It's 20 in Crossville, 17 for Monticello, 20 over in Townsend. Now we're going to factor in the winds. Here's how the temperatures change on the outside. This is what it actually feels like. 13 in Crossville, 13 for Knoxville, 17 Oak Ridge, 9 up in Monticello. These temperatures are going to drop maybe 1 or 2 more degrees or so overnight tonight, and then throughout the course of the day tomorrow, we're going to stay right at the freezing mark here. You can see we do have clear skies overhead here, but back out to the west, we do have the cloud cover that's starting to work its way into our area here. So as our clouds come on the increase, we're also bringing closer to us those snow showers that will be arriving into our area throughout the course of the day for our Sunday. So let's break down tonight. First of all, we're dropping to 17 degrees, very cold temperatures on the outside, and again, any areas that did manage to melt away today, if it is still on the outside, on those sidewalks, on the streets, yeah, it's going to turn in some patchy black ice, so be very careful if you drive overnight tonight, first thing tomorrow morning. Let's break down for you what happens. Tomorrow is going to be a very important day weather-wise. Lots of cloud cover here to start your day. I think you're okay if you're headed out the door for church or any of those morning activities. I think you'll be fine to do that across the area here. We're going to put the timeline into motion here, and notice that we have the snow flurries, snow showers that start to develop here by the afternoon hours. We've kind of sped things up a little bit here from the 6 o'clock hour, so it looks like starting just after the lunchtime hour, we'll have to start watching for these moderate to heavy snow showers start to work their way into the area here. We move things a little bit forward. They're hanging with us by the afternoon here, and then during the afternoon and evening hours, we continue to have these flurries and moderate snow bands come through the area here. As I pointed out at 6, it's also important not to look specifically at exactly where it's snowing, but the general concept that, hey, our region's going to be getting covered here. By midnight, we're talking about more snow showers that do continue during the overnight hours, and then by the morning hours, we're looking for a good 1 to 2, maybe up to 3 inches of snowfall across the area here if you're headed out the door first thing in the morning. Then we're going to start mixing things here from, say, the 6 o'clock hour into the 8, 9 o'clock hour, and then we change everything all over to rainfall here for the afternoon hours. So I bring that up. Even though it looks like we're going to have some snowfall amounts that are relatively decent here over the next 36 hours or so, 8 o'clock in the morning, the rain comes through, and even though we might have had 5 inches of snowfall in Knoxville and 4 in Crossville, the rain's going to just wash everything away there. So we'll be watching this very closely as you see the timelines moving forward, and we'll be tracking it for you first thing Monday morning as well. 32 for your high temperature tomorrow, so we're hovering right at that freezing point. So whatever does come in will come in the form of snow flurries and snow showers. So for the first part of the day, I think you're good to go do your Valentine's Day plans. Change the number here from 2 to 6. Here, we're going to start seeing those snow showers arrive from the north to the south, start wrapping up those plans if you have some evening plans, and then I'm very concerned about the overnight hours for anyone working the late shift, either headed in or headed out into the office. We'll be having those snow bands overnight. We'll have a good 1 to 2, possibly 3 inches by morning, and then finally, very quickly here, the extended outlook. We're off and on with this rain to snow mix here throughout the, I went too fast here, Casey, but yes, we are looking at these storm showers to be wrapping up here on Wednesday.
All right, thank you so much, Kyle.